Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Chevrolet Trax. The Trax is tiny on the outside, but remarkably spacious within. It comes with clean and modern interiors and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, keyless start, Sirius XM radio, rear window defroster, power windows, electronic stability control, security system. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.